A great way to keep track of everything that is due is the calendar tool in Blackboard. Often when you first access Blackboard, you might be dumped into the announcement page, or you might go right to the course materials page. But I would keep a habit of clicking on the calendar page to take a look at everything that's due when. And so I'm just going to click here on the things that are due for your class, and you can see them all here in pink. There are a couple of different things I do want to point out, that when you see professor assignment or prof assignment, those things are on Blackboard. They're assignments that I create on Blackboard. When you click the link for those, you will see another link that says go to this assignment. So you can access the assignment directly from the calendar. There are other assignments like the ones that say chapter 2, 3, 4, 5. They are Pearson assignments. What you'll notice is that when you go in to click them open, there's no way to directly access them. So there are a couple of different ways for you to do that. One way is to go into the Pearson link here on the left and then go into Mastering Assignments. And that should open up all of the assignments that are available to you with due dates. It's taking a few moments to load. Okay, this is putting me in as if I'm registering for the first time. So once you register for the first time, the list of assignments will show up there. The other way that you can access the Pearson assignments is the learning modules in the course materials. If we go to Unit 1, as you saw in the other video, we have a way to scroll through each of the pages of this learning module. And if we look down the list, you can see that we have professor assignment. That's yet another way. You can just click that blue link and then read the instructions and submit. Or you can go down to mastering assignments, and they are the assignments through Pearson. So if you go into mastering and you are logged in correctly, it should put you directly into the list of assignments here. One more thing that I'd like to say about the calendar is sometimes you'll see things on the calendar that may be quizzes or scheduled exams. So there's not a link to them anywhere. So this just said that on this day we had a quiz, and you can see that there is no link. That was something that we did in class. Same thing for the exam, just telling you when it's scheduled. But it's a great tool to be able to see everything in one spot. Thank you, and I hope this helps.